Many of us have internalized the concept that we are not enough, not brilliant, competent, handsome, lovely, or any other attribute enough, and that we do not deserve to have our goals come true. However, realizing that you are worth so much more than you give yourself credit for is a strong energy that may attract riches and help actualize your desires. You will be more receptive to attracting positive things into your life if you learn to think that things happen for you rather than to you. Once you adjust your perspective and begin believing that you deserve whatever you desire, you will be surprised by what you can attract. Manifestation entails concentrating your thoughts or placing your purpose on the desired result and then accomplishing this aim in real life. It is all about visualizing your life as you want it to be. Manifesting methods are founded on the law of attraction, according to which our ideas and beliefs work as strong magnets, attracting the desired consequences and reshaping our life. The law of attraction helps you to attract the finest possibilities in your life and materialize your aspirations. To materialize your dreams, you must free your mind of negative ideas and create an intention for what you wish to attract. Only then will you be able to attract what you desire in life and generate plenty. The purpose is the beginning step for making your desires come true. Setting an intention stimulates your receptivity and helps you to materialize your aspirations. The greatest strategy to materialize your desires is to train your mind to attract desired results and accomplish your objectives. But, on the other hand, manifestation only becomes potent when you recognize that you can bring positive things into your life. In other words, when it comes to manifesting your goals, the first step is to recognize what you want and put your focus towards it. If you want to experiment with the law of attraction, here are 10 actions you can do right now to create your desires. 1. Identify concrete objectives. You must know exactly what you want to accomplish to create your desires. Setting an aim does not require nebulous notions like "I want to have excellent health," but getting to the essence of what you want and the techniques you will apply to attain this. Setting smart, specific, measurable, actionable, realistic, and time-bound objectives can help define what you want to accomplish and keep you motivated. 2. Visualize achievement with these aims. For example, when you've defined your SMART objectives, contemplate what your life would be like if your desires come true. Visualization builds confidence and helps you to imprint visions of achievement in your subconscious mind, helping you create your ambitions. 3. Believe that this triumph is feasible. Having trust in your abilities to attain your objectives is a vital component of manifesting your desires. When you feel that you deserve what you desire, you send a strong message to the universe, attracting riches and success. 4. Make an actionable plan and write it down. The law of attraction does not function merely via vision. To materialize your desires, you need to establish a strategy that you can accomplish. Make a list of steps you want to take toward your objective and ask yourself what activities you need to do. We all deserve to be happy and satisfied in life. 5. Keep a diary of your progress and check it often. Keeping track of your progress will help you remain focused on the goal you want to attain, discover and overcome difficulties, and keep going. 6. Identify any hurdles you may encounter and prepare a strategy. To materialize your desires, you need to discover and eliminate any barriers that may be standing in your way. Being aware of your hurdles can help you plan how to get over them and concentrate on what you want to happen. 7. Practice everyday thankfulness for your opportunities. The thankfulness practice is particularly successful because it challenges you to be cognizant of your benefits, helping you overcome self-limiting beliefs and rewire your subconscious mind to attract plenty. 8. Stay concentrated yet maintain balance. While it is vital to keep focused on your objective, allow yourself permission to take a break and indulge in other activities. 9. Keep in touch with your why. If you want to materialize your dreams, you must remain connected to the reasons why you are pursuing these objectives and what you expect to accomplish with them, the emotion you want to experience when you achieve your goals. Making a list of your objectives may help you concentrate more effectively and act more swiftly after establishing an intention. 10. Meditation to quiet the inner noise. Focusing on the present moment via meditation may help relieve tension and anxiety. In research, meditation has been found to silence your inner critic, enhance emotional awareness, and help you pay attentive attention to whatever is going on in the present moment with peaceful acceptance. If you found this video helpful, please like and comment what you found helpful. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.